Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be trying this. This is Woolworths brand butter chicken with rice, Australian chicken cooked in a rich tomato and creamy curry sauce. It says 375 grams, rating 7 minutes, and is one serve. Rated mild, and it's got NAS PCA approved farming badge. It's also made from at least 75% Australian ingredients. Just the same on this side. So we need to microwave it for 6 minutes, peel the film off and fluff up the rice, and then stand for 1 minute before serving. Let's open it up and have a look. And here it is, it's slightly started to melt. It's got the curry and the rice in a plastic tray, 2 separate compartments. So let's put this in the microwave and I'll come back when it's done so we can try it and see what it's like. Okay, so I've got the food here, just out of the microwave. Try to fluff up the rice a bit. Okay, that's good. So I'll cut to after a minute. Okay, so it's been left for a while. So the white rice, let's try that. A bit clumpy, not as good as freshly made rice. I thought it's fine. With the sauce, probably be good. Let's mix some of that together. The texture of the rice, it still doesn't seem quite right, but with a bit of the flavour from the sauce, it seems decent. Let's try a piece of the chicken. It's sort of creamy chicken. It's very soft. Let's get a mixture of that in. It's quite good. It all comes together quite well. And you don't get the sort of microwave, not fresh taste of the rice when you mix it with a bit of the chicken and the sauce. Let's just try a bit more chicken. So it looks like it is mostly sauce, only a few pieces of chicken. But that one had something crunchy in it that wasn't really pleasant. Must be something else in the sauce. There's a bit of onion in there as well, so maybe it's the onion, but that texture wasn't very good. It looks like there are just and pieces of onion and other things just throughout. So I think I'll leave the video here. So if you like this video, if you like the video, comment down below what you thought. Any of these future videos, and subscribe so you can see videos like this in the future.